Hello everybody again, this is Karen and now I'm going to take you through. So the first video I quickly shot was the raw chassis coming in, and it was at the cutting station. So again, I didn't film the cutting because it is very loud, but this is what the vehicle looks like when everything is cut out. So you see the fan cut out, the AC cut out, all the windows have been cut out. If I swing around, you have the cutouts for the water heater, for the outdoor shower. So that is what it looks like when it hits Station 1. Now, Station 1, and I'm just going to walk you down through here. Station 1 is actually where the insulation is added and the flooring is put in. So you will see the white insulation that's being installed in there. Some of it hasn't been installed yet as they're getting prepped for some of the wiring, but Station 1 is insulation and flooring. And that is what you can see here. So that gives you a general idea of where Station 1 is. Stay tuned for Station 2 as we follow this vehicle through the production line. Thanks for joining me.